Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through the parish of Westmoreland. We are driving through a community or an area known as Ferris. Now Ferris is very popular because it is where a new road was recently built, the Mackfield Main Road, and a lot of persons refer to it as a highway because the road was so nicely built. So we're going to take a tour of the road so you can see what it looks like. The official name is the Mackfield Main Road, and it was rehabilitated or built during the Major Infrastructure Development Program, the MIDP. So this is what they call Ferris Crossing now. If we go straight, we continue into Westmoreland, but we're going to turn right here and go up into Mackfield. This is actually the road you take to go to Montego Bay. So the sign just said Ferris Cross to Mackfield. As you can see, the road was very nicely done. Now this road, it used to take over an hour to get from Ferris from Savlamar to Montego Bay. But this road being renovated has cut the travel time down to about half. And Savlamar is the capital of Westmoreland, and Montego Bay is the capital of St. James. And the largest town in the western part of Jamaica is Montego Bay, and the second largest town is Savlamar. So this road will connect both of the major towns in Westmoreland. Actually, Montego Bay is a city. It's designated a city, but Savlamar is designated a town. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.